Ijaji lithe liqala lasho ukuthi likhulume nabameli labakhombisa ukuthi isinqumo sikhona ngenxa yokuthi aliphilile libe selihlehlisa isinqumo.
I spoke to counsel in chambers and I have the judgment. I've shown you it's available. It's pretty lengthy and I have to read everything. I have a slight throat inflammation. And for that reason, I'll give judgment on Monday.
uLuke Lamprecht oyinhloko enhlanganweni elwa nokuhlukunyezwa kwabesifazane nezingane uthi uAckerman uzibona yena eyisisulu kuleli cala njengoba ephika konke akwenza.
He's created a world where he denies that he did something wrong, he denies that it's affected the children negatively and the families negatively, he denies that he's responsible for everything. And what that means is, the most important thing to understand about what that means is that his chance at rehabilitation is extremely poor. Because if you live in those levels of denial, okay, your ability to rectify your behavior is very limited because you have not seen the wrongfulness of your behavior.
uAckerman oneminyaka engama-55 ubudala ubheke namacala angamakhulu ayisikhombisa nama-40 kubalwa ukudlwengula, ukushushubisa abantu, ukutholakala nezithombe zezingane ezinqunu. uAckerman waphuma phambili emacaleni amabili okudlwengula ngenxa yokungabikho kobufakazi. Wayetheswe amacala kanye no-advocate Paul Kennedy ongasekho. Laba ababili basola ngokuheha abafana basebancane babadlwengule babakhombisa izithombe zocansi. uAckerman waphika wonke amacala abhekene nawo.